If you would like to know how I relocated to the United States, stick around. So because I do not want to run into any legal problems with the company that I applied through, and the fact that I did not contact them to say I was going to speak about them, we're just going to call them Company Banana. I had been a nurse in Jamaica for over a year before I had applied with Company Banana. Once I applied, we did an interview. So it was like a basic interview asking me about nursing and what was my job description working as a nurse in Jamaica, and also my specialty. So once I went through that process and I sent over all the documents that they needed, I was set up for a review program for the NCLEX. This review program took a few months, and basically it prepared you to be ready for the NCLEX exam. This company actually flew me the first time, flew me from Jamaica to the United States for the NCLEX. I did my NCLEX in April 2015 and I failed. So yeah, I failed on my first try. It was very sad. It was very devastating. I felt like the world was going to end, and I had so many things riding on passing this NCLEX that it basically broke me. So yeah, after that, I got myself together and I actually reapplied to do my NCLEX in June 2015, so a few months later. So after I completed that, I passed. So I passed on my second try. So yeah, it doesn't matter if you fail once, you got multiple times to do this exam. So don't beat yourself too much, okay? We all know how nerve-wracking NCLEX can be, so yeah. Company Banana, once I passed the NCLEX, they applied for an EB3 visa. This EB3 visa is a visa preference category for the United States employment-based permanent residency. So once you completed all your documents, go to your exit interview, you relocate to the United States, you start working, you will be issued a legal permanent resident card. So you may be asking, who can or who is this EB3 visa specifically for? EB3 visas are basically visas for skilled workers or professionals looking to work and live in the United States. So yeah, my EB3 visa was basically filed in June 2015. So after I passed the NCLEX in the early part of June 2015, my case was filed the end of June 2015 to the USCIS. So this visa, this EB3 visa case file was filed at the end of June. So this process was expedited, meaning that they sped it up because they needed us to come over to work. So yeah. And I had to also apply for a visa screen. The visa screen is a comprehensive screening program for healthcare professionals that are not US citizens. When you apply for the visa screen, they request that you send 5 documents directly to their office from the institution or the facility. Okay, so these 5 documents include your validation of license from the Nursing Council of Jamaica, your high school diploma and transcript, your university transcript, and your English language proficiency test score, and your NCLEX score. So all these documents that will be sent in will be looked over, and if approved, you will receive a visa screen. So remember guys, when I told you that my EB3 visa was filed at the end of June 2015, it was approved the end of July 2015. So I was excited. So after USCIS approved my EB3 visa, I was sent instructions to prepare for an interview in August 2015. So in my mind, guys, everything was moving at light speed. I know, yeah, it was moving pretty fast, okay? So before you could do the exit interview, you had to complete a medical. So with the medical, you have to do it at a specific hospital, which the only hospital that we do ours is at Andrews Memorial Hospital in Kingston. So yeah, so we were scheduled for I was scheduled, I'm talking about myself. So I was scheduled to do my medical at Andrews Memorial Hospital in Kingston. And once I completed my medical, a week after, or about 2 weeks after, I went to the embassy, the US Embassy in Jamaica, to do my exit interview. In the interview, they basically ask you what you're going over to, what are you going to the United States to do, where are you going to be staying, and they may ask more questions, but those were the basic questions that they had asked me. So when you are answering these questions, you have to be prepared for anything that is on your documents or your paperwork that you have submitted. Those are the questions that they are looking to ask you. So don't go up to the interview and be like, say, me not remember though. Don't say you don't remember, okay? Be confident with whatever they're asking you, because whatever documents you submitted, they're going to ask those questions, okay? So you have it already in front of you. They have it in front of you. They just want to confirm that you know. So yeah, once the interview was done, I was successful and the visa screen was completed and approved. I was scheduled to leave for the United States in December 2015. So I was excited, but I was scared. I was leaving my first job. I was leaving my family. I was leaving my place of comfort. Another thing that made me scared to leave was the fact that I was leaving my boyfriend behind, my boyfriend of 4 to 5 years. So that was very scary for me. We had so many plans of what we wanted to do and what we were going to become. So it really was a sad moment for me to relocate to the United States. I was leaving everyone behind that made me feel safe and made me feel comfortable. But I had to stop, basically take a step back and look at all my goals, look at all the things that I wanted to achieve, and if I was going to be able to achieve them in Jamaica. Maybe I would have, but I had to work like extremely hard to basically get these things. Not saying that you should not work hard, but I don't believe in killing yourself for work in order to have a better life. So yeah. Look at your goals, look at all the things that you want to achieve, look at the things that will change your life for the better. Pray, have faith, and know that it will work out. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for liking. Please share and remember to subscribe. Okay guys, bye.